on YouTube? It's your boy SRT920, Shong, back at it. I just decided I wanted to enjoy the day and get a little point of view driving and just ramble a little bit. But I just wanted to say I appreciate it. I've gotten up to 250 subs, 253 to be exact, and I gotta say I appreciate it. It's pretty cool. I didn't think people would be watching it like that, but I just wanted to do a little point of view driving. I gotta admit though, when I'm out on a boat and I'm at work, so I work at sites and stuff, when I hear that supercharger whine, like today for example, I saw a Hellcat Durango. there was a side of me I wanted to say, step on it, pussy. Because I wanted to be able to hear the supercharger a little bit. So I was like, I wanted to say it, but you know, I gotta keep things professional at work, so we can't do that kind of stuff. Even though I really wanted to, I had to bite my tongue for it, but it was pretty damn funny. And I saw a Hellcat Chally. I thought it was just a roll today. You don't see Hellcats like that. When I see Hellcats in the wild, it turns into something else.
Look at that motherfucker. What he say? Meow.
But yeah, just get some cruising in. Like, you can't tell me that don't sound nice. Sounds better in second gear.
Nice.
I'm in the Suburbians. I gotta chill out. That sounds good. I gotta figure out how to properly hold this camera. I'm debating on driving around hoodless for a little bit. I've been thinking about it actually. Is getting my hood painted to match my car and everything, so I have it all red. I don't know. But I was thinking if once I do that, I could do maybe some racing stripes. But I should also consider getting this whole car painted. I should get a whole new rear bumper, honestly. I don't know if you guys paid attention, but in one of my videos, I forget when I did, I think I was doing my diffuser. My rear bumper is like melted from the exhaust on this thing. I gotta have the window down. You guys gotta hear that supercharger. Traffic around here. Ooh, some pops. So my tuner adjusted it so my car can pop a little more, which I like, because I like the pops and bangs. I'm really debating on doing a mid muffler delete and a resonator delete and leave my cats, because I got high flow cats. I even have them on. Oh my god, I haven't even had them on for over a year now, unless it's been a year. But I would love to go catless, but at the same time it's like, do I want to be obnoxious? Do I want people to hear me 5 miles away? This thing throws me back. Wow. I am glad that I pinned my crank on this thing now. I don't even have to worry about anything happening. Anything bad happening, at least. This thing sounds like a goddamn jet. Gotta have it so you guys can hear the supercharger whine, but I gotta have it where I don't gotta be seen recording. good day to just go for a little simple cruise. Like a beach. I got this one Asian song stuck in my head. It's not Asian, but it's an Asian dude. And it's like I've seen it all over. It's like to end racism. Dude, smoking like a chink bitch, shaking ass like a black bitch. Red dot like a brown bitch. This shit's funny. I gotta admit. That dude just looked at me. He's probably like, what the hell is this guy talking to? What the hell? Who is this guy talking to? Talking to myself, boy. See what's crazy with this? I'm never going half throttle, and it's like every time I do, my wheels spin a little bit. My wheels spin at 60, 70 miles an hour. I gotta get some slicks for this thing. Damn, the man's just staring at me. Look at that. He got an Impala with 24-inch rims. Shout caller. How's it go? How's it go? 24-inch. I don't know. And 20-inch rims on an Impala. Shout caller. Look at whatever. I don't know how it goes.
Okay.
So you can just tell your boy suffers. Just random stuff going through my head. I wonder if you can hear those burbles on camera. Oh, there's a nice little one right there. This guy's probably like, what the hell is this car? Why does it sound like that? Give you guys a sample of what it's like doing a pull. Not a pull. I'm not gonna give you a full-on pull, but first gear. I'll go about half throttle. I'll go half throttle. First gear. I want you guys to see the speed. Tires just spin and spin and spin. That guy got scared. Oh, he's got a Dolby. Those are cool. Coming in hot and bothered. Oh, dude, rolling burnout. That's insane. Whew, smell the rubber. Whoo-wee. Smell the rubber just on that little bit. I barely even touched the gas on it. I can't believe I did a rolling burnout. I wasn't even trying. It's pretty dope. Got that power. Trying to get that Demon 170 power though. I gotta see what this thing's like on E85. Like honestly, I really gotta see what that is because people say it smells good. You can tell the difference. I don't know. Obviously, you get horsepower gains from it. Gas mileage is poor, but I honestly would like to give it a test run. My tuner said that I can run E85. I guess we have a lot of fuel trim to mess with. And don't forget, I showed y'all how to do injectors. I have 1050 injector dynamics X or whatever they're called, and apparently I've seen other people saying they don't have issues running E85 on them, so that's good news to me. Now I'm sitting here rambling. It's a red light. I know they ain't interesting. You guys like hearing the stuff. You like seeing the action, but you know you got to see the rough and the bad. You know you can't just see all sunshine and rainbows all the time. That's the cruel world we live in. Now that the sun's really coming down, I'm gonna be wrapping up this video. I'm gonna give you guys a 60 roll. And maybe you'll hear my tires scared a little bit, because I'm telling you right now, I still spin at 60. Like, I even have video proof of it already on one of my shorts. Look at this thing. Look at the spacing on that thing. Little monster truck. Gotta top off and get some fuel up in this thing before I put her away. But I'll get you guys at the 60 pole. Hold on. Sounds pleasant, huh? We'll do it in third gear. I think I'll be able to do it. Yeah, 60 roll in third gear. Hold on. I have this one little straightaway. We teleported to Mexico. There you go. There you have it. But I need some ideas. I don't know what to do. I went to these little drag things. I went to little car meets. I mean, I could keep coming up with random ideas, but I'm sure I don't want to feed everyone the same thing. But, you know, no one can get sick of the point of view driving. Like, come on now. There's a scat pack. This is a scat pack. Be patting left and right. But yeah, this video is long enough. I'll leave it at that. You want to drop some comments down below, give me ideas on what you want to see. I can try and do something, but work something out.